Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cetaphil's Daily Oil-Free Hydrating Lotion. And as the name it already says, this lotion is oil-free. It's a gel-like formula that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. And in my opinion, it's best for normal to oily skin as it may not be rich enough for dry skin. And it is fragrance-free, making it a great option for sensitive skin. Now, before we begin with the lotion application, it's important to properly wash your face. So choosing the right cleanser for your skin type is key. And in this demonstration, I'm opting for Cetaphil. However, you can select a different brand if you prefer. Now, for those of you that have a dry to normal skin, Cetaphil's Hydrating Foaming Cream Cleanser is a great choice as it's gentle and does not strip the skin of its natural oils. However, if your skin type is normal to oily, then Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser is an excellent choice as it's effective in removing excess oil, dirt and sweat while being very mild and hydrating. And if you're dealing with stubborn sunscreen and or makeup, consider using a balm cleanser. And for guidance on how to use these products, I'm going to leave a video in the top right corner. But for this demonstration, I will be using Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser as my skin type is normal to oily. So let's get started. Start by wetting your face with warm water. Then dispense about 1 pump of the cleanser onto the palm of your hand or fingers. Rub them together. And then massage the cleanser over your face and neck. This usually takes about 15 to 30 seconds, ensuring all areas are covered. Once you've massaged the cleanser in, rinse it off with warm water. If you're at the sink, a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth can be helpful. It's excellent for removing any remaining traces of cleanser, light makeup or sunscreen. If you have used a washcloth, rinse again several times afterward to remove all cleanser residue. Next, take a clean towel and gently pat your face to remove any remaining water droplets. And now, let's move on to Cetaphil's Daily Oil-Free Hydrating Lotion. Dispense about a pea to a bean-sized amount onto your fingertips. Blend it between your fingers and then apply it evenly over your face. You can include the neck if desired. Leave the lotion on the skin, there's no need to wash it off. Now this can be the final step, or if you're heading out for the day and have prolonged sun exposure, follow up with sunscreen. And if you want to have the routine I just demonstrated, including a little some way to recreate at home, you can download it in a PowerPoint presentation, which you can find in the description box down below. And that's all for today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And happy skincaring!